Pause the video to work on these problems. When you're done, unpause the video to take a look at the answers and the solutions. Pause the video to take a look at the answers or keep playing the video to see the solutions. So the first problem is 26 times 17 plus 43 times 26. This symbol here, this dot, means multiplication. You'll notice that 26 is a factor that's common to both of these. So let's rewrite this as 26 times 17 plus 26 times 43. And now that we have 26 as a common factor, let's factor out the 26. And we are left with 17 plus 43. So we have factored out the 26 and we are left with 17 plus 43. And 17 plus 43 equals 60. So we have 26 times 60. Now if we can figure out what 26 times 6 is, we can figure out 26 times 60. To do 26 times 6, I'm actually going to use a distributive property of multiplication, but in the expanding form. So let me rewrite this as 20 plus 6, that's 26, times 6. And that, when I expand, it's equal to 20 times 6 plus 6 times 6. And that is equal to 120 plus 36. And that is 156. So 26 times 6 is 156. So 26 times 60 is 156 tenths. That is also equal to 1560. So this is 1560. The next problem is 16 times 43 plus 16 times 32. So we have 16 as a common factor. So let's factor out the 16 and we can write this as 43 plus 32. So we have this 43 and we have this 32. And 43 plus 32 is 75. So we have 16 times 75. Now we can figure out 16 times 75 by actually doing 16 times 75, or we can use a shortcut. I think of 75 as 3/4 of 100. So instead of writing 75, I am actually going to write 16 times 3/4 of 100. And now instead of doing 3/4 times 100, let's first do 16 times 3/4. So to multiply a whole number and a fraction, we multiply the whole number by the numerator. So that's 16 times 3/4 times 100. And 16 times 3 is 48. So 48/4 times 100. That is 12 times 100. And that is equal to 1200 or 1200. The next problem is 72 times 36 plus 27 times 36 plus 36. So we have 36 as a common factor. But wait, we have nothing multiplied here. But 36 is the same as 36 times 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as 36 times 72 plus 36 times 27 plus 36 times 1. And now that we have 36 as a common factor, we can factor out the 36 and we are left with, we have a 72, 27 and 1. So 72 plus 27 plus 1. And 72 plus 27 equals 99, plus 1 is 100. So that is 36 times 100 that is equal to 3,600. So this is 3,600. The next problem is 7 times 4 plus 7 times 3 plus 7 times 2 plus 7 times 1, and we have 7 as a common factor. So let's factor it out. Equals 7 times, and what we are left with is 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. So let's write that here. 7 times 4 plus 3. We factor out the 7, so we have a 2. Factor out a 7 again, so we have a 1. And this is equal to 7 times 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So that is equal to 7 times 10 is equal to 70.